Okay guys, today we've got Cactus pringlei, or the elephant cactus. Now I know this doesn't look like an elephant at the moment and probably never will look like an elephant, but it can get very big. So this is a plant that grows quite quickly once it gets established and can grow here in our garden around about 1 metre a year. This plant has this season grown from here. By the time we get to spring, when it was planted out last spring, it will possibly be about here. Maybe more, maybe less, depending on the rains and what happens across the rest of the winter and early spring. That's around probably 15 years old from a seedling. And then over here we can see one that's slightly younger. Because they're seedlings and the seed comes from various sources, you tend to get different sort of, sizes, shapes and spine colours. We'll go round to the mid-size guys now. We have this plant, which is, compared to the one that we were just looking at in the garden, this plant is only probably 6 or 7 years older, but in the last 2 years it has taken off from being a plant about this tall and only that thick to being this. These arms have just come out 2 years ago, and the pups, as they call them, on the side have taken off and gone mad. So this is one of the few cacti that has a taproot, and the taproot gets down into the ground, gets established, and then away it goes. Obviously drinking the water from underground because we've had a dry summer and there hasn't been hardly any rain, and yet this plant is just thriving and growing really well.